Hello, it's Susan, your English teacher here at Booked Up English. Today's lesson is a vocabulary lesson. New words help your child understand and speak in English. Today's words are part of the At School unit. Click the link below to see all the words in this unit. Let's go. Book, book, book. This is a book. What's this? This is a book. Bookshelf, bookshelf, bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. What's this? This is a bookshelf. Locker, locker, locker. This is a locker. What's this? This is a locker. Thanks for learning today. Send a message to book a free 30-minute consultation to find out how I can help your child achieve proficiency in English. See you again soon.